The extra-translucent Cercon XT zirconia material provides a high level of aesthetics with monolithic restorations. All that is required is a final customization with universal stains and glaze. Simply customize the crown body with a bit of pink. Emphasize the enamel ridges with incisal stain I1. And support the incisal area with its mamelon structures with some cream. After stain firing, add high flue universal overglaze to the monolithic restoration. The final shade check against the shade tab confirms the quick and easy shade reproduction with appealing aesthetics.